Hey everyone! Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to see the Milky Way in all its glory? With fewer stars visible in cities due to light pollution, finding places where the Milky Way dazzles becomes a magical experience. From remote deserts to pristine mountaintops, these destinations offer some of the clearest views of our galaxy. Join us as we take you through the 10 best places around the world to witness the breathtaking beauty of the Milky Way. This journey will leave you starry-eyed and ready to plan your next adventure. Namibran Nature Reserve, Namibia, a dark sky reserve. Namibran Nature Reserve in Namibia is one of the most magical places on Earth to witness the Milky Way in all its glory. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast desert, surrounded by nothing but rolling dunes and endless horizons, while a sky full of stars stretches above you. As one of the first international dark sky reserves in the world, this is where the night truly comes alive. The lack of light pollution means the Milky Way isn't just visible, it's dazzling, like a shimmering ribbon of light across the heavens. What makes this reserve extra special is its untouched beauty. The Namibia desert's golden sands glow faintly under the starlight, creating a surreal and almost otherworldly setting. Picture yourself lying back on the cool desert ground, feeling the stillness of the night as constellations and shooting stars paint the sky. Stargazing here isn't just an activity. It's a profound connection to the universe, a chance to leave the noise of the modern world behind and simply exist under the cosmos. You can even elevate your experience with guided stargazing tours led by local experts who unravel the mysteries of the night sky, sharing fascinating stories about the stars and constellations above. Whether you're camping in the dunes or staying at one of the reserve's eco-lodges, the Namibran offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of the universe. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to dream. Mauna Kea, Hawaii above the clouds. Mauna Kea in Hawaii feels like stepping into another world, high above the clouds and closer to the stars than you've ever imagined. Picture yourself standing on the summit of a dormant volcano, surrounded by a sea of fluffy clouds illuminated by a breathtaking sunset. As darkness falls, the night sky unveils a celestial display so vivid that it feels almost tangible. This is one of the best places on Earth to witness the Milky Way in its full glory, stretching like a luminous ribbon across the heavens. At over 13,000 feet, Mauna Kea's altitude offers crisp, pollution-free air, making it a stargazer's paradise. The stars shine with unparalleled clarity, revealing constellations, planets, and even distant galaxies in stunning detail. It's no surprise that some of the world's most advanced telescopes are stationed here. Reaching Mauna Kea is an adventure in itself, as you drive through diverse climate zones, from tropical rainforests to barren volcanic landscapes. Once you arrive, the visitor center and summit welcome you to a community of stargazing enthusiasts united in awe. Whether using a telescope or just gazing upward, the connection you feel to the universe is profound. Be sure to dress warmly, as the summit's chilly temperatures are a stark contrast to Hawaii's tropical warmth. Yet the cold fades in the presence of the dazzling celestial spectacle. The memory of standing where the heavens meet Earth will stay with you forever. A bucket list experience unlike any other. Atacama Desert, Chile, the astronomer's paradise. The Atacama Desert in Chile feels like stepping into a cosmic wonderland, where the skies stretch endlessly above you, untouched by clouds or city lights. As the world's driest desert, it offers the perfect conditions for stargazing, drawing astronomers from across the globe. The stars shine brighter here, and the Milky Way glows with such intensity it feels as if you've been transported to another galaxy. The desert's unique combination of high altitude, dry air, and zero light pollution makes it an astronomer's dream. At over 8,000 feet above sea level, the Atacama's rugged landscapes create an almost otherworldly atmosphere, and the night sky reveals details unseen elsewhere on Earth. The Milky Way arches across the heavens like a celestial masterpiece, accompanied by constellations and shooting stars. For those eager to delve deeper into the cosmos, observatories like ALMA and Paranal offer glimpses through some of the world's most advanced telescopes. Some tours even provide powerful equipment to view planets, nebulae, and distant galaxies. But sometimes, simply lying back on the desert floor and gazing upward is enough to leave you in awe. The Atacama isn't just a place, it's an experience that connects you to the universe in a profound way. Between the breathtaking landscapes and the stunning stargazing, it's a destination guaranteed to leave you speechless. If you've ever dreamed of truly exploring the night sky, this is a must-see spot. Death Valley National Park, USA, a cosmic sanctuary. Death Valley National Park is not only the hottest place on Earth during the day, but it also transforms into a stargazer's paradise at night. The sky here is so clear and vast that it feels as though you could reach out and touch the stars. Thanks to its remote location, extreme dryness, and absence of light pollution, it offers some of the darkest skies in the United States. When the sun sets, the Milky Way unfurls across the sky in a mesmerizing display that captivates anyone who sees it. What's remarkable about stargazing in Death Valley is how accessible it is. You don't need fancy equipment to be amazed. Just find a spot, let your eyes adjust, and watch the cosmos come alive. Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, offers expansive views perfect for stargazing. Lying on the salt flats, surrounded by silence with stars reflected on the crystalline ground, feels like floating in space itself. For an even deeper stargazing experience, head to the Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes or Harmony Borax Works, where dramatic landscapes add a cinematic touch to the night sky. The park also hosts ranger-led astronomy programs, allowing you to learn about constellations and the science behind the stars. Death Valley isn't just a desert, it's a cosmic sanctuary that reminds us of our connection to the universe. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a casual stargazer, this place offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It's the kind of adventure that stays with you long after dawn breaks. Uluru, Australia, the heart of the outback. Uluru, the iconic sandstone monolith rising from the heart of the Australian outback, is not just a natural wonder, it's a spiritual experience. By day, its fiery red hues and rugged texture leave you in awe, but as night falls, the sky above becomes a mesmerizing canvas filled with countless stars. With minimal light pollution and an endless horizon, Uluru offers one of the most breathtaking stargazing experiences imaginable. Under a velvet black sky, the desert's serene silence surrounds you, while the Milky Way arches magnificently overhead. The constellations here are unique to the Southern Hemisphere, with the Southern Cross shining brightly and planets glowing like jewels. It's like being inside a planetarium, only infinitely grander and more surreal. What makes stargazing at Uluru truly special is its cultural significance. For the Anangu people, traditional custodians of the land, the stars are integral to their Dreamtime stories, offering a profound connection to the cosmos. Joining a guided stargazing tour not only reveals the celestial wonders but also imparts ancient wisdom tied to the stars. Uluru is more than a destination, it's an adventure that touches the soul. Whether drawn to its daytime majesty or its cosmic brilliance at night, this sacred site invites you to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the universe. It's an unforgettable outback experience that feels like pure magic. Tenerife, Canary Islands, an island of stars. Tenerife, part of Spain's Canary Islands, is a dreamlike destination where the stars feel close enough to touch. Picture yourself standing on a volcanic peak, high above the clouds, as the Milky Way stretches across the night sky in dazzling clarity. Thanks to its dry climate and protected dark skies, Tenerife is one of the best stargazing spots in the world, offering a front-row seat to the cosmos. One of the island's most incredible locations is Mount Teide, the towering volcano that dominates the landscape. At its summit, one of the highest points in the Atlantic, the views are extraordinary. By day, you're surrounded by dramatic volcanic landscapes, but by night, the stars shine brighter than you could ever imagine, free from light pollution. Tenerife's commitment to preserving its cosmic beauty sets it apart. The island is home to internationally renowned observatories where top astronomers study the skies. Guided stargazing tours offer an even deeper experience, combining cutting-edge telescopes with expert storytelling to reveal the wonders of constellations, planets, and galaxies. Tenerife is more than just a stargazing destination. It's a gateway to another dimension. Whether you're an astronomy enthusiast or seeking a surreal experience, the island will captivate you. From the volcanic terrain to the infinite sky above, every moment here feels like a journey into the extraordinary. It's not just stargazing, it's pure enchantment. Aoraki Mackenzie, New Zealand, a southern hemisphere gem. Aoraki Mackenzie in New Zealand is where the heavens meet the earth in a dazzling display of starlight. Located in the heart of the South Island, it's part of a UNESCO-recognized dark sky reserve, making it one of the best places on Earth to witness the night sky in all its glory. Imagine standing beneath a blanket of stars so vivid it feels as though you could reach up and pluck one right out of the sky. It's pure magic. Lake Tekapo, a serene turquoise lake surrounded by mountains, is one of the region's highlights. By day, the scenery is stunning, but at night, the real spectacle begins. The Milky Way arcs across the sky like a celestial river, and shooting stars streak overhead, leaving you in awe of the universe's vast beauty. What makes Aoraki Mackenzie even more remarkable is how easy it is to immerse yourself in the experience. Whether you're gazing through a telescope at the Mount John Observatory or lying on the soft grass, the view is unforgettable. The observatory offers guided tours with expert astronomers, making you feel as though you've stepped into a science fiction movie. Except it's all real, happening right above you. Aoraki Mackenzie isn't just a place, it's an invitation to dream. Whether you're an aspiring astronomer or simply seeking an escape into nature, this southern hemisphere gem offers an experience that lingers long after the stars fade. It's a journey to the edge of the universe without ever leaving the ground. Joshua Tree National Park, USA, a desert dreamscape. Joshua Tree National Park is where desert beauty meets a sky bursting with stars. Located in Southern California, the park is a surreal landscape of twisted Joshua trees and vast horizons. At night, the desert transforms into a stargazing haven, with the sky feeling closer and each star shining just for you. As a dark sky park, Joshua Tree is protected from light pollution, creating perfect conditions for viewing the Milky Way. The brilliance of the stars, combined with the desert's stillness, makes it an unforgettable experience. You might even spot meteors or satellites overhead. What makes Joshua Tree special is how accessible the stargazing is. Whether camping, perched on a rock, or lying on a blanket, the park offers a perfect view. Keys View is a popular spot, offering sweeping vistas of the desert. Joshua Tree is more than stargazing. It's about reconnecting with nature and the universe. It's an extraordinary escape that reminds you of the magic in simply looking up. It's an experience you'll want to relive. Jasper National Park, Canada, a cosmic playground. Jasper National Park in Alberta, Canada, is like stepping into a real-life planetarium, only much better. Surrounded by the majestic Canadian Rockies, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is just as breathtaking at night. The park becomes one of the world's largest dark sky preserves, where the skies come alive with stars, distant galaxies, and the Milky Way. The park's low light pollution makes it perfect for stargazing, offering a sky in its full glory. Imagine lying by a pristine lake or nestled in a meadow as the constellations twinkle above. On clear nights, you might even catch a meteor streaking across the sky, adding a touch of magic. Pyramid Lake is one of the best spots for stargazing, with its glassy waters reflecting the stars, making you feel as if you're floating between galaxies. If you're lucky, you might even see the northern lights. During the annual Jasper Dark Sky Festival in October, the park becomes even more magical, with astronomy events and guided tours. Jasper isn't just a place to see stars, it's where you reconnect with the universe. Whether you're an astronomy enthusiast or simply love a quiet night under the stars, this cosmic playground will inspire you. Stargazing here is an unforgettable journey into the infinite. Sagarmatha National Park, Nepal, closer to the stars. Sagarmatha National Park in Nepal offers you the chance to stargaze at literally some of the highest altitudes on Earth. Nestled in the shadow of Mount Everest, this UNESCO World Heritage Site combines jaw-dropping mountain vistas with an awe-inspiring night sky. Up here in the thin, clear air of the Himalayas, the stars shine brighter and the Milky Way stretches across the heavens like a cosmic river of light. Picture this. After a day of trekking through lush valleys and rugged terrain, you settle into a quiet spot under the crisp Himalayan night. Above you, constellations you may have never noticed before popping into view thanks to the park's incredibly low light pollution. It's not just stargazing, it's an adventure that connects you to the vastness of the universe, all while standing on the roof of the world. Some of the best spots to soak in the celestial magic are the villages of Namche Bazaar and Tengboche. These charming outposts are surrounded by towering peaks, and their remote location means you'll have some of the clearest skies imaginable. Add the spiritual ambiance of Buddhist monasteries dotting the landscape, and you've got a stargazing experience that feels otherworldly. Sagarmatha National Park is more than just a destination. It's a place where the earth and sky meet in perfect harmony. Whether you're chasing the thrill of adventure or the serenity of stargazing, this park offers a front-row seat to the wonders of the cosmos. Don't forget your camera or binoculars. You won't want to miss capturing these unforgettable moments under the stars. And there you have it, 6 more incredible places to experience the Milky Way like never before. From the deserts of California to the peaks of the Himalayas, each destination offers its unique window into the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep looking up and let the stars inspire your next adventure.